guys, we're back, and today playing another game called Jujutsu Kaisen, I think, or not Kaisen, but something. And I'll put up a picture for you guys to see. Anyways, I'm just gonna like test out the game and see what it's about. And I seen it on TikTok and all these other websites, and I want to try it out with you guys. Let's check out the first one. Okay. Not too fun. Ooh, why is it? It's so cool that it like destroys the stuff around it. Like, look, if I just like, oh, it's floating. It's literally floating. Anyways, let's try this second. Oh wait, that third one. Oh my god, a 3-piece combo. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like, okay. Let me see. Do I have a combo for this? Wait, is this the range thing? From a distance. Okay. One, I can turn off. Definitely not a range thing. Ooh, that has some sound. So what I'm thinking of that. Okay, so I have a one. So, pop. Maybe I just did a little bit too late. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I probably just did it too late. I'm gonna fix that though. Oh, and I forgot to say in my other video, we're gonna have some Xbox playthrough, like maybe in 3 weeks. On the 3rd week, we should be playing some Xbox games, and yeah, just want to let you guys know. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think you can do that. I already clicked it as fast as I could. So, if I'm correct, does it go that far? Oh man, it could work, but I don't know. Oh, wait. Okay, so it might not be too structured, but I have an idea. Dang, oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Wait, oh. I didn't even, oh my god. I didn't even know that. I didn't even know. Thought it looked like a super ability. That's what it felt to me. So where is my super button? It just made my super bar go down. Oh my god, what? No, why? He went behind me. Run as fast as you can. You can get me the gingerbread. No, I just clicked the super bar because it said, oh, let's see number 1. Number 2. Here's me. Whatever. Bob. Bing. That's a good combo, I could say so myself. Wait, can I pick this up? That's so cool. Yeah. Oh, it makes like. Oh wait, let me try that again. Oh, I can't pick it up anymore. Oh, there's another one. Wait, can I pick it up? Sure. I just jumped over it and then picked it up. This is so fun. Can dash with these. Hey, yeah. Another one. That's cool. Shoot these things. Characters. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's check that out. To buy something? No, I'm not. Okay. Settings. Fun stuff. Ooh, that's inverted colors. Oh my god. No, thank you. Nighttime one. Oh, I like it. Rainy. Oh, it's a god. It's everything black and white is fun. Oh, anything black and white. Oh, that is sick. Oh, man. Put that later. We bag, nothing in there. No bug. I am not reading all that. I'll let you guys read out just pause the video. You can read the top and then the bottom and pause the video. Give all of them. What? I didn't know. No cooldowns. How do I? I'm invincible. I put on no cooldowns. And then I'm right after this. Oh wait, no, stop. Oh my god. What the? Where's your music? Oh, wow. Ow, okay. You're nice. Help. I need the dummy to attack the guy. Okay, but I'm here. You help me. What is this? Building tools. I don't want to build. There's a lot of things you can do with this. Okay, let's go to characters. So let's just take one. By the way, I bought early access to get the early access character. Because I really wanted it, so I bought early access, guys. Oh my god! Oh my god, that's like oh my god. Okay. I just like this. Where's it? Right here. I think I bought private server plus. I think Oh, that is just like the. Like, look at this. Oh. Okay, let's. A few of these. I need a tacky knife, yellow. I'm my hands. Yeah. Oh, that was for sure. Okay, let's try this. Oh my god. Oh my, that is. Oh my, like. Excuse me, like, just relax. Oh, this is over. It's, So. Okay, give me my ultimate. No cooldown. Let's see. What the? Going everywhere. Oh my god. Rush. I knew it was like a What is this on my favorite teeth? There were just teeth in the middle of the Doberman expansion. That was weird. Oh my, look at that. Anyways, let's get started by this one. In the next video, then we're gonna go on the public server. This is just gonna be part 1 for now, cause like, he's so much where, well, it's fine. You know what? We can go on the public server. What was that? No, hold on. What was that like? I don't know what that does. Let's see what the finishers are. I didn't see that. Okay. That was weird. Did we not use number 4? Because I never saw that before. Wait. Let's see what the soup is. We still have one more character, so let's see what this is. 10 Shadow. Ew. Just like, yeah, rabbits. I'll just bring something. Get over. Get over here. Said bird, a bird, 2 birds. We'll be right back. We're back. I got kicked from my own private server. What? Did I just go in the shadow realm? What just happened? I went in the shadow realm. Watch. What can I do? What just happened? That's a good job. What the? I have a combo for this guy because I like him. I like him. So do your supers. Super does anything for it. This is so funny. Let's get this tool to do any damage, but let's see. Get it, bird. Really scared here. Well guys, I think this is gonna be like our first part because we've been here for a while. So I think it's gonna be like I'm gonna have a second second part to this. It's just gonna be the first part. The second part where we go on a public server and test out all these things, even if and so when updates as well, we can like come to this game and all the other games when they update. So, I'll see you guys later. shift. Ow. Wait, 1 second. Ow.